Today on Chris Performance Repair, I am bringing you a update, not a car video. I need to talk about my website of all things. So for the active subscribers, the people who are probably the only ones, honestly, who are really going to watch this video, I have done some changes to the website. I want you to get involved. I really do. If you don't mind, hop on the website, take a look around. I have added some things. So what I'm doing is I have added a forum. I'm working on several other add-ons. I've added a small blog section. That is a terrible work in progress. I'm still trying to figure out how in the world to get that working. That I added a while ago. I can't seem to get it to structure properly. I'm working with the company that I'm building my website on to try and get it to work correctly. So that'll be working at some point. I'm currently, this morning, I added the forum section. So that is the part I want you to get involved with. I want you to sign up, become a member. Right now it's free members only. I will be adding a paid membership at some point. It'll be really cheap. I'm not gonna do much. Maybe $5 a month or something silly. Really cheap, right? And those memberships are gonna come with bonuses, of course. For now, I just want free members, and I want to start filling out the forum specifically. So I want this to have conversations get started. I want to figure out what categories I need to add. I need to figure out what you guys are going to want to talk about. Obviously, the majority of you following me are going to be talking about GM V8 engines and specifically AFM, DOD, DFM, things like that. I know some of you also watch me for some of my Ford videos, but you're far and few in between, let's be honest. So let's take a quick look at the website and see what's going on. So I'll just do a quick look over at my screen thing here, but I'm on the shop tab right now. So we got the tabs up here. I'm going to click on the forum tab. Give you a little better view of that in a minute. And then we have this little forum section here. So got that. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that members tab. Show you guys that quick, just because. So here's a little members tab. Right now there's very few members, just some people that signed up as they were buying or whatever. So we're gonna go back to the home page, and right here on this top corner, see that category? That's where you sign up or become a member. So it'll say sign up there when you're not logged in. Of course, I'm logged in. So there's that. Now, my videos are going to lack in the very near future here. They've already started to lack, to be honest. I'm not getting one out every week. I'm remodeling this house. I'm preparing to move. So 6 months ago or so, before I started preparing to move, before I made the decision that I need to move, I had one room finished upstairs. There's a total of, depending on how you say it, there's 3 bedrooms, a huge bathroom, and a very large closet. Now, the master bed and large closet and the bathroom, the master bed and closet were complete. The bathroom was almost complete. However, it was not. I still had to do some tile. I still had to finish the shower. And the rest of the rooms were just totally stripped down to the 2x4s. So nothing done there. So in the last 6 months, I have finished the upstairs almost completely. I have very little left. And I worked on the downstairs here. Now the downstairs is getting flooring on all the floors. All new paint. Stairs are getting completely redone between the 2 floors. So a lot of work is getting involved here, and that is why I'm lacking video now. I have started to run out of content. I have about four or five videos sitting on the back burner because I don't have an outro to them. I didn't quite get a follow-up video from the customer of the vehicle running or anything of that nature, nor did I do it myself. And so I'm still waiting to finish those videos and post them, and I'll probably do that at some point before I move, but we shall see. But once I move, I want to start setting up the members for paid members and adding a separate video tab. That's one of the things that paid members are going to get a bonus from. Free members are going to see all the videos that are on YouTube. Everything that I have on YouTube will be available for free members. At this point, it's without ads, but I'd like it to stay with the ads because I got to get something out of doing all these videos and spending all this time on here, and that's why I'm going to do a paid members section at some point. It's going to be videos ad-free, completely ad-free, because you're paying to be on there. It's not much, but you're paying. So you're going to get free videos, you're going to get extra content. Well, I guess not free videos, free of ads, right? So free of ad videos and extra content. And I'm also going to be starting to limit my responses to people commenting and asking me questions or asking questions in general, because it's getting overwhelming at this point. I'm starting to get enough people asking me questions and talking on YouTube alone and messaging me on my website alone. That's part of the reason for this entire change. The forum is so that you guys can help each other out, because I know a lot of you already know what needs to be done, and it's just a matter of getting the discussion started and getting people involved, and then hopefully they can look through the forum and figure out answers, and then you guys can answer each other's questions, which would be really nice. So back to the videos. I'm going to be adding the videos, right? Extra content, and then the content I'm going to do is going to be some non-car content, so you guys will get to see me for who I am, what I do outside of working on cars all the time. You'll also be able to get a little bit of extra bonus clips, maybe some more screw-ups and bloopers, things like that from my previous videos. Maybe I'll try and figure out a way to add that in there. And I'll be adding, of course, more specific things. If you're a paid member and you request information, I'm going to be on it like that. I'm going to try within 5 to 10 hours to answer your question. I have to say 5 to 10 hours because I might be sleeping, right? So I'm going to give all kinds of extra stuff like that to paid members. So once that option is available, if that's something you're interested in, of course, shoot me a message. Let me know from my website, not from YouTube. I mean, you could put it on here, but chances are it's not going to be very helpful, other than boosting a video to non-subscribers. Yeah, I don't want that. We want to get people that are already subscribed on this channel. So with that, like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you on my website. Thanks for watching.